Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, my name is Ajit Kumar Sharma from TEB Computer Department from Zeal College of Engineering. Under PVL activity, me and my team members Pratik Shah, Ashish Shahi, Aditya Shelar and Chaitanya Shelar has completed a project on medicine shopping website under the guidance of Gayatri Jagnade. The aim of this project is to design the website for medical store in which user can go through all the medicines product and stuff. They can place the order to buy the products, whereas admin has access to add the products, update the placed order, retrieve the information of users. Traditionally, the details of the medicine are stored on the normal database system. Due to change in lifestyle, people are affected by the various type of diseases. In the existing work, user can search the availability of medicines one by one in the shop. This is very difficult and time consuming task. By using this proposed work, the user can search the availability of the medicines within less amount of time. The user can easily search about the details of the system through their own mobiles or any smart devices. This is flowchart of our website in which we have home page. In that we can see all the products. If user has login, then they can add the product to the cart. After that they can check out the pricing and place the order. We have used Django framework, HTML and CSS as front end, SQLite for database, VS Code for code editor. This is the implemented website in which we have home page with all the medicines and product. First we have to register into this website. So we have registered into the website. So we now log in. So we have successfully logged in into the website. Now we can see all the products in this website. We can add those required medicines and product into our cart. So if we click on add to cart like this item, then we go to the cart option. Then we can see that we have added these two items. If we click on checkout button, we can see that we have selected two items and total price is 280. For the delivery, we have to give shipping address. We have chosen cash on delivery and we will place the order. We have paid the money and the order has been placed successfully. So there is also a contact page where we can write our doubts and admin will help as soon as possible. So this is our code which is implemented for our website. This is register page, this is login page, and index page, product view page, cart page, and contact us page. Now I will tell about applications of our website. It provides the searching facility based on various factors such as customer medicine stock. Online medicine stores also manages the payment detail online for medical stock detail. To increase the efficiency of managing the customer medicine company, it deals with monitoring the information and transaction of medicine stock. Now we'll talk about features. The features are of creating and changing issue at ease. User accounts to control the access and maintain the security. Decrease in the load of person involved in existing manual system. Full screen access of any information individually. This is register page of our website, login page, home page, cart and payment page, and contact us page. Finally, we will talk about future scope. So we will add some advanced software to this website. We will integrate load balancer to distribute the load of the system. We will create the master slave database structure to reduce the overload of the database query. So finally, I like to conclude that user can issue an order of the medicine from their own devices, provides the detail about the discount. User can able to see various details about the specific medicines, and based on the need, user can order the medicine with minimum amount of cost. The major benefit of the pharmaceutical are easy to provide various type of schemes, better user services, easily rectify the request of the customer and attract with the customers easily. In the last, we would like to thank Zeal Institute and our guide Gayatri Jagnade for providing guidance for successfully completing of this activity. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.